you've got the right of way. Come on, Hyundai. Like Sunday. I'll keep waving.
Come on, Hyundai.
Oh, she's going to let us go. Thank you. Don't waste everybody's time. That was nice of her. When we bought this Jeep, you know, we put a lift on it, everything else. And we did the 35-inch tires, and I bought 5 of them. And the problem, as most of you know, is you get these tires, they don't fit on the regular spare tire carrier. I bought from, gosh, I want to say it was TerraFlex, just a little bracket that would go and kind of, oh, did you hear it?
Yeah.
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see if that audio's there. And I made it so it'll fit, and then I got a little extender for the brake light. Problem is, now you can see kind of where it's starting to sag on the tailgate itself because of the weight of this tire. Plus, now if we go off-road and we start to hit bumps and whatnot, let's try this.
Some jumps or some
bumps.
Here's some road.
Rough road, washboard road, or whatever. This whole spare tire just goes like
Find a way in.
Flipping noise. So let's go over into here and let's just kind of see. Grant, kind of get back there and listen as we go over some of this stuff.
Alrighty.
Let's see.
Oh yeah, you can see it bouncing around, but also is the phone.
So we're searching for a solution. We think we found one. It ain't cheap, but we think we found one. Let's see if we can get it to do it here. We may do a lot of filming, Grant, to get it to do it. And, you know, last thing you're dropping your, I don't know, was it a dishwasher or something? Look at the wake we're leaving behind us now. It looks awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty dope.
So here's the product that we bought from Rugged Ridge. It's called the Rugged Ridge Spartacus Heavy Duty Tire Carrier Kit 11546.50. We are going to throw that on and see if that solves our problem. Cost about, I don't know, I think it was on Amazon. I think it was like 400 and something bucks. But let's see if it's worth it.
Man, some killer hair today, right? You guys digging that? Beard's getting a little strong. So hey, I'm not gonna do like an install, like tutorial on how to do this, but I'll just do like the time lapse. There's tons of stuff on YouTube and the instructions are good, but I'll time lapse it and you see it, and then we'll go do a review and see if it bounces around like it did before.
I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty ugly without the tie rod in the back.
This thing's pretty heavy, and it's aluminum. Imagine how much the steel ones are, but I like this because then you're not gonna get rust. Cool. So when we took this off, check it out. We have a little bit of rust. I mean, I'm sure a lot of people do, so I just took a wire brush and do this, and then we're gonna hit it with some primer. I'm gonna tape it all off, and then we're gonna do some primer.
Alrighty.
It's already pretty close to dry, I think. Hopefully that helps the rust problem. Okay, there's the final result. It is quite a bit more snug up to the tailgate. It's a lot more sturdy, like when I open and close it. Before it would really kind of vibrate quite a bit. Just closes pretty tight. But let me tell you something about this rugged ridge. The way that it adjusts is a pain in the rear. Like, to try to get it, we had to take this wheel on and off about 4 times to get it to line up where we wanted it. But she's on. We'll have to go see how it works. Take it on those same roads and see if it does that kind of wobble thing again.
So we got the thing on. We're gonna go the same road and see if it clunks as much.
We got the new spare tire carrier on.
Yeah, the thing on, and we're gonna go up the hill.
Here we go.
At the place, at the time.
It seems a little tighter, doesn't it?
We're going faster this time too.
We were hauling bugs.
Right here. It's not doing it, is it? It was doing it like crazy right there. We got other things making noise, but not the spare tire carrier. Right here. Here's what it is, like mad right here. Okay.
We did it.
The consensus is that thing's a pain in the butt to put on, and it's pretty expensive. I mean, think if you're going to get a spare tire, those are what, $300 for the tire, and the rim probably more. We use stock rims, but then you like another 400 and some bucks for this thing. But it's quiet, so there you have it.